Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Chow, Dr. Eric Chow. I would like to talk about how to build up your college application profile and show you the road to UCCS. The motivation of preparing such a video is because that recently we have heard several story about some students who are trying to apply to the UC computer science programs, but they got rejected in many schools. And then people discuss what's going on, like how much is actually needed to get into a UC computer science program. So here I try to summarize some overall strategy to help students to get into the UC computer science program. Hopefully this one can be useful. And then if you have any question, you can contact me with my facebook.com/dr Dr. Eric Chow. Okay, let's get started. Okay, recently we hear a Chinese student who were rejected by 16 colleges and got admitted to 2 colleges. And then there are some experts in the application of the college saying that he has strategical failure because he's not really prepared himself well in the college application. Number one, his SAT 1590 is pretty high, because SAT is not really counted by many universities, so the help this number doesn't help him too much to get into a good college. Okay, and then second, his overall GPA, weighted GPA is only 4.42. It's below 4.5. So it's not enough to help himself to stand out. Okay, and then he has some good story about his coding skills and startup experience, but this is a very openly heard Silicon Valley scenario. So overall, he doesn't prove himself can stand out from a lot of applicants. So that's the main problem that he has. If you want to be successful in college application, especially the UC computer science program, you have to stand out. His numbers and stories are just very regular, very normal. And this student is a typical engineering thinking student and not enough critical thinking and proactive actions. And he's very easily being categorized as a Chinese nerd. So this is a very disadvantage for him in applying to top tier universities. So students who were rejected by STEAM college due to strategical failure. So according to some anonymous parents of the same school, his son got admitted to UC Berkeley in the freshman application. He knew this student's story, and he said that his only child is following the U.S. high school's typical approach, balancing academic, club, sports, and working on individual and group projects. Okay, whatever. He's just saying that his son get into Berkeley, and then the other guy doesn't. But this is not enough to show people that how much you need to prepare to get into a UC computer science program. So that's not enough to help our students. So our video will be trying to help students to achieve that. Okay, and here has another student. His name is Huan, and this partly in Chinese, but I can read for you. Basically, this child, Mr. Huan, he has the USA Computing Olympia Platinum Division, USA Physical Olympia Top 50, 4 times AMY qualification, coding awards, and then also ACT 4 score, GPA 4.81, and then 14 AP, actually 15 AP in 4-year high school study, and then 2 robotics club, a 2-year robotics club, and then 4 score and AP Physics 1. And then a lot of the nonprofit organizations, founders, and community service, and National Merit is a semi-finalist, and also piano level 10, and Chinese Kung Fu's practice. Okay, anyway, his profile seems to be very good, but he only got admitted to UT Austin, U of Michigan, and then rejected by Georgia Tech, UIUC. I'm sorry, weighted by Georgia Tech, UIUC, rejected by UW, and then deferred by Penn State, UPenn. Okay, maybe UPenn. P, I think it's UPenn. And then weighted the MIT CMU, rejected Caltech, USC. Okay. And then top two, UC Berkeley and UCLA. He believed that his son did not take enough AP to get in. And then anyway, he feel frustrated because his son didn't go into the top tier UCCS school. To read this one, I feel sad for him, but we can still do some analysis and figure out he's still something not making the top. Okay. So there's another student called Mr. Ni, and he is he got into the UC Berkeley X program. Okay, and he also complained because he got into UC Berkeley program, but I mean, let's look at here. He got accepted by UC Berkeley X, UC Santa Barbara, NYU Tandon, Purdue, yes, that's it. And then UW, okay, pre-signed, he doesn't want it. San Diego, undeclared, he doesn't want it, okay? And then waitlisted by UCLA, CMU, WashU, Georgia Tech, and Urban. This actually doesn't help. Rejection by these different schools. So basically, what he figured out is that he's not really popular in a lot of university, and he's lucky to get into East Berkeley X. Basically, his overall portfolio, and he's intended for computer science, GPA 3.94 weighted. So I believe that his weighted GPA should be also around maybe 4.8, okay? And then he has 9 courses AP, okay? 6 exam self-study. This is a big problem, okay? This doesn't actually help him because he may not get the GPA. I don't know whether he's self-study or self-study with outside course. And take AP Calculus BC in 9th grade, AP Chinese Stats in 10th grade, AP then, AP CS, AP Chem, AP push in 11, okay? So no matter what he take, he doesn't seem to take enough AP course in the school, okay? SAT full score, 5 out of 10 courses AP, 4, okay? This 4 actually also very detrimental in his application. This also shows that he is not really perfect in every exam. So in addition to that, he has the usable semifinals, it is good. Usable Platinum is good. 3 times Amy, this is good. Okay, and also ranked this Avena code. I don't know how important this one is. And then robotics. Okay, I'm sorry. And also has a project being rated. Okay, so he has enough activity that I believe that why he got into the UC Berkeley, but the other two doesn't. Okay, very good profile for his activity. But I believe that his academic performance, especially the number of AP, is still not enough. Okay, so what kind of people would be admitted to UC Berkeley or UCLA type of CS school? I would say there are many criteria, but you need to seek for PR 99 plus for every category of the activity and events. So what does this mean? This means that if you compare GPA with some other student, you need to be 99% or above. SAT, you need to be 99% or above. If you compare the user code, you also need to be 99% or above. If you want to do research, you also need to be 99% or above. So try to be 99% or above on every category. Then you will have a good chance to get in. And the previous cases show us these are different students. They all got 99% in some field, but not everyone. Okay, so that's a problem. Here, I'll suggest the following activity you need to have. Number one, 4 programming languages ready, at least one reach the level 3. So 4 language is the Python, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, and at least one of them reach the level 3. I'll suggest Java or C++. Second, college math. Third, college physics. So you need to reach the AP Physics C level. Or you need to actually take one of the AP Chemistry or AP Biology so that you can do some research. Okay, and then humanity and writing courses are the basis for research and academic or for public paper publication. So it's also needed. Also, finish your AP foreign language as early as possible. These are just foundations to prepare yourself's academic power. Okay. So you need to build up your academic power and also build up a good, hard working spirit so that you will be able to compete later. So these should be done. All of these should be done as early as possible. If you can did all of these in 9th grade or 10th grade, that would be better. And 10th grade, 11th grade, you should only keep your English course, math course, physics course, and computer courses. Then you will be study like a student in the community college. That would be the best way to get prepared for college. So if you want to connect it to UC Berkeley X, okay, you need to be 4 language ready to connect it to the CS61 series for the Berkeley courses. You need to have a multivariable calculus course to connect it to Math 53. AP Physics C, E&M to connect it to Physics A, 7A and B. You need to have AP Lit, AP Lang to replace the college freshman writing course. So you can prove yourself you are actually research ready because you can write a decent written report. And then AP Calculus BC to replace Math 1A or B, and also AP Stats to prove that you are good if you study the data science. Then you have the research reach, okay, ready. Okay, you must be research ready to help yourself to get a good chance to go into the undergraduate research apprentice program. Okay, so these are the requirements for getting into the UC Berkeley CS X. Okay, because of these, you need to look at how you can plan over your academic path in high school so that you can go into your dream school and dream major. So I pick an example from with using my son's example. Basically, you have STEM courses and non-STEM courses. So let's look at this non-STEM courses. You need to prepare 4 years to go into geography, AP Euro, AP Push, and also other AP elective courses in high school. How much you really need it depends on what majors he will go to. And then second, you need to prepare UC A to G English, also up to AP Then and AP Lit, okay? And then world language, AP Chinese or AP Spanish to AP level. And you need to finish it with it before 10 and 9th or 10th grade. That would be better because you need to save time for other STEM courses. For STEM part, you must have must plan well for the biology, chemistry, and the math and the physics and computer science different route. And how many courses you need to take in high school, there's no limit, or I should say, sky is the new limit. Okay, so I did not pick any break for my son. As long as he can finish a course, we will actually follow by another course that is the follow-up courses. Okay, and then prepare all of these different courses so that you can compete in the competition or get a research opportunity at a summer camp or do annual year research with some professor from Stanford. So these courses are very important. Okay, you need to follow certain pathway to get yourself ready for certain events. Okay, and my son's example is only one example. Okay, you should plan for your own road path. Okay. Okay, so if you get 4 languages ready in 9th or 10th grade, you can go for a youth circle competition, or you can go for a hackathon. Okay, and hackathon you need to learn data science, machine learning, and deep learning neural network. Okay, and also you need to learn some back-end database and web design capability to be able to master web design and software development after the 4 basic language. After that, you can go for quantitative or qualitative research. Okay, and also work on the science fair, or you can apply for internship. And at the end, you can prepare yourself for some entrepreneurial program such as MET or MNT from UPenn. Dual enrollment courses. College courses, I would suggest the dual enrollment courses by 2 major directions. One is college math. The other one is the programming languages and software development. Okay, so basically, college math, you need to finish calculus, algebra, linear algebra, discrete math, multivariable calculus, differential equation. Okay, these are typical engineering math in first year and second year of the college. And then programming language like Python, JavaScript, HTML, SQL, Java, and C. These are 4 languages ready. But one of the languages you need to reach the data structure and algorithm. Also, the data science, machine learning, and neural network. These are for the machine learning research and AI. If you want to go for a research at the high school level. So these are very important. If you miss some of these, you are not competitive in the application of the college, especially the top tier computer science program. So that actually is a lot of bad burden, because college right now, the time for 4 years is very short. So a lot of courses being pushed down to high school, and you need to best use your high school junior and senior year to get yourself prepared for college study. So in college, you can prepare college math and then data science and AI courses. And then if you are pure computer science, you can go the middle route to study the computer science core courses. If you are X student, then you may want to study the college math and AI and also CS and X core courses. If you are data science or business school major, you may want to study the core math and some business or management science courses. This also applies to IE or industrial engineering and operation research major. So a high school student, we actually can use this radar chart to present their capability. So basically 4 languages ready: C++, Java, Python, HTML, website design, JavaScript, data structure and algorithm, and basic machine learning, data science, machine learning, mathematical machine learning, and also the deep learning course. So this will characterize how good a student is in preparation of the college CS major. Research and publication. In addition to the computer science, you also need to make yourself ready for research and publication. So you must have the good critical thinking power. That you need to prepare historical or social science study, and also the technical writing or paper. Okay, these are very important. In addition to that, you also need to prepare yourself in biology, chemistry, or APPC. Okay, because the summer camp for research usually demanding you to have the power to do research. So you must have the domain knowledge and also the technical paper writing skill, and also learn the latest tool if you need to do publication. Hackathon. In hackathon, there is no good course in high school level that can support you to learn AI or machine learning. So here I summarize some good courses. First, you can study the storytelling in data science. This can be a book. Okay, and after that, you can take IB and data science courses from Coursera or EDS. And then after that, you can take the mathematics for machine learning from the Imperial College of London. This course, including the data science, multivariable calculus, and linear algebra, and also the principal component analysis. And then after that, you can work on the machine learning and deep learning from Andrew Moore's course series. Professor Moore is actually from Stanford University, and he has deep learning and AI course online. Okay, and you prepare those different activity and courses, you should be able to compete now in the hackathon to win. So initially, you may not take that many courses. So keep competing, and losing is okay. You must build up your competence level through the competitions, and also need to learn more skill in order to learn. So this hackathon usually require the presentation skill, storytelling skills, and also the coding skills. Summer camp, you can try the entrepreneur ship type course, summer camp, such as MNT, SI, okay, LaunchX. And sometimes you can also participate essay writing competition, and also DECA. And you also need to have the problem solving skill. So Stanford Sumo or Promise is very good, or you can compete in USAMO or USAPO. Okay, and then if you are ready, you can apply for summer research programs such as MIT RSI, Stony Brook Assignments Summer Research Program, Texas Clark Scholar Program, Iowa University SSTP Program, UC Santa Barbara's RMP Program, and also there are programs at Michigan State, and also Boston Rice Program. Okay, there are many of the good research programs. And if you like a coding competition, CodeQuest, okay, Proco from Stanford, USICO, and also HP Cowork. And DECA, you actually may study marketing, finance, hospitality, business, and then there are also many competition and leadership role as well. USICO, you can go up from bronze to Iowa. 99 plus, I think your gold plus is enough. Okay, but if you want to clinch a neighboring university such as MIT, then you may need to have a camp or above if you want to clinch it. And then USAMO as the number, okay, and 99% plus AB is enough. You want to stand out, you need to have USAMO or above. Okay, USAPO, you need to start early. You need to learn conceptual physics. This will be the honor physics in grade 6 or 8. Okay, and then you at the 8th grade, after algebra 1, 2. Okay, then you can study the AP Physics 1, and then you can participate in USAPO prelim exam F equals MA, and try a couple of years. And during a couple of years, you also learn this AP Physics C, okay, and AP Physics 2 and AP Calculus. And after you pass in the prelim, then you can move on to semifinal and final, okay, and also become a USAPO team, okay. So overall, these different courses, the programming will support the CS61 series, okay, college degree math will support discrete math and probability. And your machine learning courses and the robotics courses and also the math 53, 54 background with equivalent courses will help you to handle the EE16 and AB, okay? And we also need to have AP Physics C to handle the electromagnetics. Okay, and these are different courses and passes in Berkeley if you are interested in AI and robotic track, okay? So first you need to finish your AI math and then assistant law and system courses, and then go into your AI and machine learning. Okay, and let me go back to the preparation of the high school. You need to finish college math and then data science and math, and also some domain knowledge, EE, CS, and business. And after that, in college, you will be ready for different type of the internship. Okay, so hardware acceleration, software engineering, modeling and research, and application. These are 4 different levels of the courses. If you are X student, you should be able to do every single one if you like, okay, after the graduation. So find a good school that support your activity. That's very important, okay, when you prepare for college. And NVIDIA, okay, NVIDIA actually is a good internship location to get into for the machine learning and AI. Okay, here is my son. Okay, my son is admitted to UC Berkeley MIT program in 2021, and he will graduate in 2025. And he actually speed up, so he planned to graduate in 2024. So what I want to say is that he will apply for the 4+1 master program, and then he has 9 internship experience, and also numerous club and honor in college. And he also finished 6 publication in high school and college. So why I mentioned him, that's because that going back to the first statement, okay, if you want to go to a college, you must connect yourself to the college and finish all the preparation courses that is needed for that major or program. Okay, that's the conclusion. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.